Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's definitely been a while. Oh, how many times do I say I can't wait to get a better setup? Multiple times. But today's video is going to be super quick, super easy. I've been using the Lorac Pro Lash Pomade for a good while. Honestly, from the first use, I hated it. And I think I still do hate it. I used the L'Oreal Voluminous base primer. I switched it out from the Lancome one. Honestly, I've had it for a couple weeks and it's already drying out. Doesn't give me a lot of application. It's time to use something better because I don't have long eyelashes. I'm not really consistent on using my castor oil, which definitely works. If you guys have any recommendations on a great lash serum that really makes your lashes grow fast and keep them consistent, let me know. But for the meantime, I've been doing castor oil. I try to do it every night. Sometimes I fail, so my lashes kind of go long and go short a lot of the times. I never use falsies. I've never tried to use falsies. They're just not my thing, and I know they're not too great for the eyelashes in general. If you only known how hard it is to take off mascara throughout all the years of trying. I went through the coconut oil phase. You know, coconut oil does nothing but just smear it all over. Oily, obviously, just no. I use just straight makeup remover wipes, trying to take it off. Liquid makeup remover, like by Clinique, because it's supposed to be for eyelids and lashes. Ugh, super oily residue, goes in the eyes. That freaking burns when something goes in the eyes. Just makes it all smeary and doesn't really take it off. Nope, doesn't melt it. The simplest thing I've ever done. Doesn't really tug at the eyes. So we'll find out after I put this on. Kathleen Light's eyelashes, when she puts mascara on, they're so full and they always look like she got false lashes on. I don't want that. I remember going, whoa, but it sucks. My trick is wiggle, 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 pull through. And they look amazing. Like when you first put it on, it's like, okay, look at that volume, look at the difference. That's the first coat. But then, throughout the day, it's like the lashes, they just fall down. I'm missing like such a gap of lashes right here. I have no clue. All my lashes like to crunch up into a bundle, and then it looks like I don't got lashes in other places. Like Cynthia's hair from Rugrats. Oh, okay. So let's go into this dark yellow dungeon. It's because it's so much easier here. Turn on the faucet, run my fingers over it. Now you got watery fingers. Tap over the lashes. Just like that. And you're gonna have a pond of mascara, which is completely fine. Using the simple micellar water makeup remover wipes. I'm just gonna rip literally a piece of this, because I don't need the whole dang thing. I'm not gonna waste a whole wipe. Tapping the mascara off, you're cleaning around. And you can see all the mascara starts to come off. Clean under the eye. And what I like to do is I shake the lashes upwards, shake the lashes upwards, shake the lashes upwards. So you get every single mascara underneath. And then I go at the bottom of the lashes and just give it a good shake. That's literally it. You got them off. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment. Tell a friend to subscribe. Share this video with others. We are almost at 500 subscribers. Definitely subscribe. Hit that bell. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.